This life na popo. The botanical name na Carica papaya. Waiting we dey find for this life, oh. Yeah. Barigua lokian Benin agbo. Yeah. Waiting we dey find for this life, oh. Yeah. Barigua lokian Benin agbo. Yeah. Yeah. Esuku level. Ona hi enegifo. ABCD mo, okay 1 2 3. The teacher no ready, or ya san lele mo. That was an okay, me I no fit talk to this one no. Whiskey lemon, whiskey lemon, whiskey lemon, whiskey lemon, whiskey lemon, whiskey lemon. A biology, it be like pepper soup. Intro tekunko.
Moke na chiwe. E ba school gam boye we mana. Ene wala we a rien fait petit tas na chi. Na we ni ka mo we committee mana nya. Ma wa we ma ko da ku ba ye we be. Wa we fi be yo nya we a même be.
Ok ça.
Ok ça.
But one thing, sir. The teachers in Ghana are they capable?
Over capable of working. They do well. When you capable, say, "Yeah, you are me. So now I will show. Yeah, we have maybe money. I have the answer to be up." But me go what the school boy woman anya. I don't live away. If you are
Problem is the river. What's it, sir? When we a community of one of the school in the name of a community now, if one of the arrow was a thing in the blue in a video,
yes,
packing away player.
What I need.
After my dear, Okaiwo, Okamame, where you people are very reliable.
Kakabosa.
So, all Zen in Adumiwa. Now, you, as the principal, a man who you are one of the curriculum. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So, we are treating the students as students. Because I will not be coming always. That is why we now only trusted the new school to boy.
What's it, sir?
Wow.
Oh, what's it? What's it? Wow. Oh, teaching. I be maybe I was teaching. Yes. You're very much care. I said, okay, I will not recommend maybe I was in a I will be doing school. But it's a problem. I was about to take off here. We are really very different. Yes, I'm very capable, sir. Domo, sir.
What was it? What was it?
This life na popo. The botanical name na Carica papaya. Waiting we dey find for this life, oh. Yeah. Barigua lokian Benin agbo. Yeah. Waiting we dey find for this life, oh. Yeah. Barigua lokian Benin agbo. Level on a negifo ABCD mo okay 1 2 3. The teacher no ready or ya san lele mo.
Me no say nothing. You only pull wood. No ran you to.
Oh my
God.
God.
One. Ube be ni gwe na je na. E weti gwe home e na ti gwe do total. E weti malake mi no ma e na ti gwe do total. E malake struggle mi me. De won me ni tana. O denila no do ya me end up gwe na. Ima onu le gbo deni me. O Sylvester nia. O wa be be. La wo a lawyer e unu ahin. E jo se si we lo de dan mi me. E jo se si we lo de dan. Imweko anahume huwa oya mi ati ma do tota uwa wa be mweko gay uwa be kunmi ugbo no munwe we agwa le ke settle danji
iye mi anu gun e mo pata mu me mo se fo iho
sawo e gun
ya mo ye bi
omo
Good class. Yes, this is biology and our topic says reproduction. Also that I believe we have two basic types of reproduction. One is the sexual and the other is the asexual reproduction. I believe in our last class we've done vividly the meaning of reproduction. So today we will be categorically looking at what we call sexual reproduction. And we are making sexual reproduction as our case study. Sexual reproduction as our what? Case study. Now we all are from different parents. That's to say, we be given birth to by our parents. Your father is not my father. My father is not your father. There's what we call meeting. The process whereby your father meets your mom, and something takes place. And what's that? That is sexual intercourse. And during this process, you will be formed. And out of that, you will be conceived. And that is why you cannot say, this man is my father, because you are the man's offspring. That is what we know as what? Sexual reproduction. The process whereby a man and a woman come together to meet sexually and give birth to an offspring who is in resemblance of their own kind and nature. That's what we call what? Sexual reproduction.
Iwe de gbe damu la wo wo.
Ba va wa ti eyan mi no. Okay. One on goes here, Uwadiae make school. Why I don't want? Look at uniform. Let me tell you, you will remain here until close them.
Do dey na mu da ko we late bi da. Gba me wu mi ba mu na ona go.
Just look at yourself.
Uzuo.
Look at Kent call it pot black. We take him. Student like you, idiot! My friend, you cannot square my school in my hand, never! Look at this one. Like those acrobatic dancers. Yes. Yeah. Go inside. Do them. Go in.
Yes, person, no.
Don't mess up. Go in.
They'll do you.
Okay.
What's with that money, doctor?
Okay. Those guests, they are my good students. Look at them. With school bag. With their uniform. Clean. Look at your uniform. That hard.
Okay, but we were in school now the last 2 years. My mama 15 years in the school now. Okay, when we finish any, I will test you. Also, now when you are back. They only here what finish. They only what are when you are back. Yeah, try me.
Okay, we are school bags.
I know where you been back to back.
Okay, you want to go, right?
Before go.
I'm moving. No. Go.
Move it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. The teacher.
We na a weekend na. You ne Stephanie lele me are you wa. No we do stay me.
Ihe was a wahin. So come back now, every time you come on a wall, do be baba we setting with me, and make him on a woo ye. But say money I fear our. When on up back on what you put money while you know. Me only made a fear away, so I make it no day.
You love wo. La, when I me away me come on the ma what take with me. You love wo me obe. Oh we mama here wa ma bad be be me ri me tie be ma tie be me ku ma we mi obe me here yo here me ji obe
Why ji obe
o je me lo me je be ri o
lo o wa here je
o wa ma here ga je na
wa here dan
o yo be ri o je be
Where you hear no magba?
Oh, yeah, la wo.
Oma. You know lelu.
Yeah. Where's it?
We did fine for this life.
What is this now?
See, now we call you. We want to talk to you. Ireti.
What?
Uncle Sabobu. Oh, love you. Where? Hey, Uncle Sabobu, ti wa mu bi ja orun da we. Emi o pero no matter ma. Uwadiae we ati ko ni yen. Ah, guys. Igo ya fe ni me account. Yen kwa withdraw ya. Yen we mu.
Well, wait, so going down home for cyber going in the school.
In the school, eh?
Wait, my home he client. Maybe say they sister me. You go come and they toast me. I will agree.
Yes, area no.
Yes, your madam not here.
I don't understand. Wait, so that kind of experience. He not something where they say me. He is Yola. I couldn't do it.
Huh?
I didn't strive because that is the thing will make me come out for your balance.
Oh, so I'm going to video.
Yeah, Uncle Sabobu. Sabobu we hana come for your balance. They all be Yoruba. We don't know. Your partner we are we be damo. Do that. I guess you have immediately your friend. Immediately your friend said, "Eh, you have here." We Sabobu ni aga no other thing. Sabobu we here many here. We here what like. Understand? Get better we am we billing. Here 30,000 every week. Okay. And we have
But get the money. I not do. I couldn't do.
You were who do?
I didn't do now. His bad voice. Have you have another still be saying people fine inside?
No.
I don't want. He know my voice. I don't want. Ha. Any boys will be say they are not sabi to do anything.
Oh, Hanatan.
I get you Yoruba in one.
No, we want me on my phone. I panel the room and me. Okay, me.
Go.
Where? Oh, let me on boy.
He means boy. He means boy.
Yeah, so about it. Ella, that's I get it.
Yeah, man, of no begging, no.
Open now.
Open now.
Open,
my test come out.
Aso, boy, now.
No, what you are pretty not for about
Ella, that's I get it.
You couldn't strike, Coco.
I take one way.
You will not strike.
Maybe I said you know,
He your mama way at Sawo. Your mama is at Yawo. Come and drag me out of Yawo.
Three components of water. Number 1, colorless. Number 2, odorless. 3, tasteless. Ori my way, and me no kaka bomo. Modo. Only wia. Me a color. Leva seva. Really wunu. Na toria.
Minimum but they are not below 1 minute or so.
Ah, many mama. Yeah.
What be like it?
Wato.
Fisco.
Wako yo etia.
Wato.
Lotishima.
Etota. Wado.
Bosun we.
Omeya. Agoyan wa keke ore. No wawa.
Hey! Matoge, Makago.
Ute to.
Don't you matter there.
Ijuma ore no eta.
Mentoring me wona that do make person adult your mi kora a principal do tell we school. I know very well.
Ebe ya no water.
I said manata matter. I said manata matter. Why go say manato.
You know take ni don't hear.
Ni yo ni se be yan do.
Go na be ma we. Where ya to ta.
Go mana e.
Me we ni ya we ni mere wana na mana aguyan.
Agbagu a e ku pe gwa ku wa. We ya na ya me do we pa ni mo. E ku wa ni mo. Go na
Where be the way?
Good way where to so that it was wow.
Je me wa ko fon we me je me alaja mo gba be bu wa ro e.
Wa hia we de ku emu gan aji e.
We be super mama ile wa ko.
Oma.
Awabo.
Ọmọ no me mi. O po la se. O me mi na ko la se.
Aga do.
Ge. We won ni we. Age mi ogwa se de de yo. E onko we na do notani assignment ni. Una get e. Una get.
Aga do ya get e o.
E we close ma wo. E we close. Ona ge ma we una get e wo wo.
Na we te ha.
O me ni ra ma. Na wa to go wa e.
No.
Ave ne ku.
What the botanical need to ho.
What is that?
Why not ya?
Ato we mu ato.
Ni yo ni se o na ni ve.
O me na tale lu e.
Ni ye.
Do ma me.
No me ri bo to wu yen no wa ma mu e fo a. E mo hia ma we.
Do ma me we we. Iwi ya to ta ma ya pa ya ti ade.
O ma ni se na buji. Ve ni ti ade pa.
Good morning, students. Good morning. Hand forward, stretch. Sideways. Hands up, down, up, down. National anthem. First stanza. 1, 2, go.
Arise, O compatriots, Nigerians all over, to serve our father's land with love and strength and faith. The nation of our heroes shall never be in vain. To serve with us and might, one nation bound in freedom, peace and unity.
I pledge.
I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful and honest, to serve Nigeria with all my strength, to defend our unity, and uphold our honor and glory.
Hey, you're just coming. Larima, come and kneel down here. Come and kneel down here. What's funny? I'm in front of that flag. And why is your hair like this? Do you want to mop the whole school?
A mop, you know.
Do you want to mop everywhere? In fact, go and kneel down there in front of this flag. Go and kneel down! You're looking at me!
Let it go. How are you, Shay? Come on,
Bebe, too sweet.
Yeah?
Will you shut up? And you, why are you laughing? Will you talking? You guys are so bush. It's okay. March's song.
The day is bright and fair. Oh, happy day, the day of joy. The day is bright and fair. Oh, happy day of joy. The day is bright and fair. Oh, happy day, the day of joy. The day is bright and fair.
You're going to clear the whole of this school compound today. Jesus. Who's Jesus? Will you get up and clear go and take the cutlass from the staff room?
That I will stay in class.
Hey, Gajo, you uncle Kalajane, I go teach. Remember, like Introtech, he said.
Introtech. Hey!
Hey!
What's new? What's it that one of people? What's new?
Don't remember, Pai. On a wild looking, my way you soon. That I'll wear a baby. Come on, what's new? How much back away, boy?
I told him, my mother, but my mama.
Eh, man, I will what you know. Eh? In your get bear home. Is you make a tell me, okay, really, or we are going up one. Can you do your magic get bear home? And I guess we are women.
A man of what you know. So, Jano. No, you never get one boy. Yeah, mammy, my equal when I know when no happy man. Okay, you are. Yahweh, Yabames and go. Hey, if you want, call. That's my I thought we go to my Agbina. Mamma, where you are. Hi, man, for what you eh?
Oh, mocking my what it been. Oh, mocking man.
He like Italian. Focus. Come here, John. Walk, but I've only walked. Yes, move back. Walk, but I've only walked. What would it be? I do want any.
Now,
what my Peter and Paul is good now. No peace square. Larry. So what got there made this evidence? Nana me wa me oro kwa egbe gwana we. Assignment ma. Na wa yan gbe.
Ija. I give assignment to ba.
Stephanie o assignment ma. Stephanie your assignment ma.
When no.
Wow.
Oh ya I check ko wala mi e. When no.
Uwe. Tari. Mo gbon we na gbon. Tari emi oro wa ona. It's
Papa, hear them man. Hear them man, Papa. Don't me worry, man. No. Obi meni, ike Stephanie. Egbo wokan, ya bio.
Boy.
Maria ko kekebe imotinya. When ya mu ebe ya go dey school, he made like ye. He ya je won me du yo to. Imarun tin ya bio mo o. Imarun tin ya bio mo.
Iwa ya gbe wa pa lo se. Tu na we aye me gbe ya to lo a to gbe ipo lo wa. Gbe mo. Iye wo mo ni bu se time ma we bo won na bio. We ma era. Ma ya fe me ya so ko le mo ni ma ya fe we. Mo ti gbe ne. E ro mo yo mo ni. Because ya ti yan ni gbe ni ya go mi ago. Mo
babalawo go. Tiyan, nda gbe parliament tiyan. Obi meni, ije agbo ma ku ye aka mo pa o. Lawo go ku me tiyan. Tiyan o. Iye mo na ni agbo shin yan ru. Tiyan.
Ma se na yo ki e. Mo ana ka wuwa. Wa ru wa da se de wa go gba wa ni wa lele. Ni wo lele ni ya ma era ni obi e ma era ko pa we ko mo de. Ni make it go go na me be zuwo se we na o mako ya se ya bata e tun ayi be ya se e ti agun na ni gbo mo ya mo this life o ba ri kwa lo ki abele na go
agbonu won o ma de ken wa se kere ni mo won bo
pero Benjamin ya do bere na
ko bi de ya ton e mo na de ade gbe me de
ma ya fe wa no ko
wa mi
ta force fever wa na ta force
ati afi na we afi we no de
o se wona ma mo kan ba kan na okay ko
de fi akon fi pa wo do me dia ma kan pa you go wa bi pon me
Stephanie. Yeah. Where the Jenna? Wa go. O mari hun.
Kitchen ne o fo le jene ya tole.
Usually.
O ya do hun ko.
Ko se bobo re yan ni ki an ya do me wa fu e.
Ki wo se o.
Ko. La ko mi o. This square. Mama wa class ve na.
E ka so gbo e. Madam ye we ye yo me class. Don't the class no. Okay, Stephanie won me. You are class. You have a class. Stephanie won me. Okay, Stephanie no keke no ya principal be school mana. E teacher ke no ta yo bodu no be ke no e ke no ma o ti ya fe. E teacher no ta yo bodu e teacher no ta yo bodu e teacher no ta okay, don't make bo wa hinia. O ma ke ku gbe no mama na ka be teacher ya fe lu wa dey for 4 days what do I call arema. E bi wala okay, God, I know what's it, but the can't put on the camera for marriage the next week. What bet one the week, you know. Now she will be poor.
No one who wa vano. Awe tu wagele wa wewe Stephanie. Wagele wa we mo te mo gele wa tuwa. Ama te ru wa gbin. O ja se me to yo do time na. Wo me mi ropa. We me wa. Ne ti ade ne te mo ya class, wa la class. Wa bere. Obera bi je wa kin.
Ogo o mari yakon mo ko
gba kan. No ni okan we. Ori yakon.
Me wa do avant be mo won.
Ne na mi ri no we so to ma ye school. Wa ri mo go gbon. Wa ri mo go gbon.
Iye o mi se la bobo.
Go me gun yan wa ri yan ma ni yan na ta lele yan. Square.
Eni ye mame. Yes. Moi okosabovu.
Iyo ni
okosabovu. No se we.
Iyo ni abo ni mana. Iyo e o se.
Baba mi ovi. Baba mi go vi wa balo yi. Wa nyaga wi ke. O nyaga wi ke.
Ba mama ogwe wa mo.
E go meto mo pa. Me mama ye wu kosabovu ni o me fi mi no balo video. O ya be gbo e. Wa mi no ya mu be. Ipa ge do pe wa. Ija e bi oni opa.
Ye bi oni opa.
Won me bo ni ma emi.
Onko sabovo. Beni me we mo ase.
Iyan ni ye case ko na wi an we no do mu ju wa.
Mo ma gunu emi yata mo ma. It's a more better way.
Yeah, go.
Mujane any megwe na ina tama we na tama we okoya we gba ha ne makemi o.
Igba.
Eni beta me na etama we okoya we gba ha ne makemi o.
Okay, meti gba ma o gba ta.
O ma ekoya we gba ha makemi o je va ka ga no.
Let's go home.
I have to go ya mata.
Oh, when I tell you ma we mo ne.
Wa beta mo itama we beta me. Ama why you just go radio?
DJ, wait, go here. What's up, Baba?
What's it, madam? Come on. For some time now, it's evening, mommy in school. So when I time I was here now. Go away, we marry. So when I went here, where I do I need to get because she's very intelligent. In fact, she's the most intelligent girl in the school. Madam, why could we hospital?
Hospital. Lilige. Me go ni aya hospital. Ni me go make mo hospital no na iwa gba kan for gba na no we are this. You go me.
No. I will get a video. We know Jinana. I'm at the hospital. I diagnosed the sickness. I can't feel ne. Anyway, yeah, we didn't have to really marry school. Yeah, don't worry. Making a marry the hospital.
Oh, where's the Baba? Oh, where's it?
Your daughter is too intelligent.
Where's it?
People are treating her now.
Where's it?
Where's it? Come, madam. My dear. Let's go.
Where's it? Peculiar. Our Rero, Nije. Call. Rero.
You boy couldn't understand. You couldn't understand. I no go rest, so no tell me say I do. He didn't do. He didn't do. How do you go and tell him say make you afraid? Me, as I write speech, all the English, all the grammar, why I put in the ground? You come and fake me. I couldn't try. It's those two boys, those Peter what they are called them. Hello. Where you are go? Where you are go? Wait, so Peter and Paul, be square. Today I will say your name to this square, that danger square. Hello. When you are going to tell that man, say make you fake me. What? What did I do? What did I do in you? When we say go and tell Uncle Sako, say me a fame me. Why? About the grammar, why crazy on the ground? Hello. You guys know what allow me to talk. Why you all this now? Oh, they are over back to you. Why you are going to tell that man say make you fame me? I know say the two both of you hands where inside.
Nala. For biology we there oni. Ni hoko na we exam hall. Ona we should spare the botanical or foul.
Wona ya gbe, you na ya Yoruba gbe foul pupọ yo.
Hey boys, but you couldn't even say, you don't even know what they are saying. You couldn't even talk it. You want to say I don't know, but you went to serve the red biro when they are pushing my book. What kind of nonsense is that now? If you don't want to tell them, say make you send what he put in my book. Make it go and send them my score. If not,
What is that?
You will not go believe her. You not go believe her. What's going on? Look at somebody you didn't know. You said Shiren. People are not born well. That's why not they hold you. If your face they call like this, they know they hold you. People are going to fire anybody. You're going to fire anybody. Oh yeah. Where you go? Where's that?
Hey! Why you keep quiet? So, in my English language.
one. On the boat, compressor. Imoto, and I'm going. A fridge. Everyone you want to be fair, was sorry you air conditioner at the AC where I don't know why. Thank you. Yes, no, no.
On air compressor, comprehension.
Where are they?
On air compressor, they don't have my passer.
Where we just went.
No, sir.
Where can teach you?
No, sir.
What are you not trying to maybe I class you want to toilet bread and
no, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Well, I'm a very try better since I'm trying to yes, I have 50% in that way. Wait, major squad. The year 1983, and I know a year from my school. Who are year from my school, secondary school with the year 1983. Don't try my intelligence too.
Sorry, sorry, sir. It's a way I can't board. Yeah, it's a way I can't board.
Why are you decreasing me now?
I was better than you. Yeah. If you want a blaze or a gay, oh, feel, que make it. What are you with? Or we can buy more cool you and have one acre. Meanwhile, what you have the big one. Very teaching what I don't make the whole he even had the radio and he was out. He was out. He had the one he repeated. Woman, I don't know who you are. This and I palera. It's your cup of tea. Where is that?
Yes, sir.
I mean, dear. Well, Peter Paul. I will not feel my well. Spelling TV, man. Okay, my nigga. Keep quiet.
This one is
yeah, Balewa.
Push. Z W Y I.
Ooh, for that word. What the money? Oh, what that?
Excuse me, sir. If you don't spend on my bar.
Where?
On my bar, they take a story ZDS.
Oh, can I have you in class now?
On my bar. Gay. Is that the name? A small letter, a big letter, that W big letter.
You don't know. Yeah.
Keep quiet. Where am I? Describe where they are.
No, sir.
When I correct me now, every sort of discussion with here. No, correct one of mine.
No, sir.
Eh? Gay, they don't have you to come in Kowari. Yeah, I when you are mad or Muntaro, ye Bamu, he will not spray to no man in Moyen again. A Mike or a Lamano, Nayabu Mabroni, or Swedish. He has said, Bamu.
Sorry, sir.
What they will want.
Yes, sir.
The mad.
No, sir.
Oh, yeah, over there. I do who mean no,
no, sir.
What they will want. Well, who are me? Way, Yamani, where they go school. You why you work, why you would free our well, people, everybody go looking color to the road off. Everywhere, about you know, school I do. I have to tell you one time, who are they? So they will be the first of that. Well, we can do it. He has some power in doing it.
My baby, eh? It's sleeping over Jerry now.
I so tired.
I am not good at that. Hey, my friend, sit down. Well, no. I go back to the wow, done. I thought I was going to go over to my. Well, I can't be wrong. Listen, everybody, my young man, as a boy. We got a peaceful spelling ticket. That way you are making a 71. From now till next week Monday. Why you wear Kodeko the only go what you do rawa. Then when you come out with the express. No, you man and will be less one. Iguara. Now everybody close and go home. They go away apology. You don't have oh, see what's my guy.
Waiting we dey find for this life.
The situation of our school is no longer the same way it used to be. A lot of things has gone wrong.
In my school?
Yes, sir. I'm a teacher in a school. Here they go have a teacher. Emi no rebi enya mama e. No you want to see what? Oh we. Kinye be ni ya muni ko. Ye school ni. Ata funu. Yo ko ni amu we na ya amu ba ho e. Ya wa ye student ya we.
O sagbobo o him do sunu na.
Yo ka gbe bu we.
Okay. Ni ao. Ya kaya myo kawo ne. Ya kaya myo kawo ne. Thank you for the information. You people can go back from here now. So yeah, I said you can I can read.
Right. Bye, sir.
Take good care of yourself.
Okay, sir. Good night.
Where a business is school now is a business on education. So the students here complain the teachers no view money. Or you know me where I say. So when we're marketing, I completed bad knowledge into these children. So now we need to come out. We are in the school now. Few students, majority of the students in Europe. So it's like the teachers are here teaching us. So now we are school. And now, parents now see who is school now. Okay, no more. And the way ya uwa we ya TV. Ko ari ni the parents no zero nia. But we no agina nia. Once the teachers are not teaching them well, or maybe no do a year. Or year school sir. So we never allow no tia no go.
Mamma watching ya. I will call them for it.
Don't say.
Never papa ya bin atia. You understand you well. I understand it.
Qu'est-ce qu'on va se nouer? Oui, je me revois.
Ça va, c'est.
Quoi, bon,
assignment.
Pourquoi assignment ça y a des?
ESI, is assignment.
Assignment, money à ben. Ouais, nous les
Oh. Eh, tu vois, t'en as où ni me go work assignment to washa.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Yeti. Nous da esco pas ma ya, je go pas tisha ya tishi ma ya. Mais ti a moi faire on wa ba go me. Yeti yeye.
Là on est hein. Il m'a wa copier quand même. Mais oui, mais on veut copie.
Eh, tu maman hein. Dans la maman de classe de on coûte cher.
Ouais, vous dos ça lo ba hana ma, hana mu nu wa dos ça lo boa.
Ouais, c'est. Yo, maman. Maman. Tu sais maman ouais.
Goy, wa copy assignment na ne wa mu ebe me bu me wo rigbe. Imo ido we se diva boya hu e teacher we na do submit assignment. Imam yo me mu la jan.
Everybody at the school give my
Mama, me do are ke ni ya me na.
Mo payment
Et copier quoi qui va ouais ça va donc quand même school papa est tout pour voir Uwadiae ouais il veut school wa ma anywhere il a copié ma I we kuweki wa mami we ali wale wa made de mi pato da wa ma money na mena ti aha mu ma we wo no ma ko we is the na we oje
if I talk many le papa do kama we ni awe ma wa so yo they ya fe uri no una we ki make ba we ave ko teacher le ere de gbari ma gbe
beteta
so ke we am ma mi se na ta we odo ta ba na mi ate we na gwa lo to won no na e papa e to ni a mi pa ni mo re kama wo se we ma gwa lo to we o ma no ya to bi ni ma papa to we ma ya se ma gwa to wa ma wa ya do mo
no ma we se there you do Africa o there o I was here, man. Where? Report to Wiva, Sakara. Your monarch, yeah, what you Sephina, what you Sephina, basically. You get it, you report them one. Oh, I did go. What's the proposition, Wiva?
Go. We are can you come up with other argument when you are. Then manare class of power, why is your new? Okay, what in the head of one, Mother Tanny? One who look but I can't around what table men. The man make class of power.
Do where I might know my boy, I bring a bone to one. As one, I put as away, man, or ye be a key every 7 years. I went to a car with one, and you can put on table. So, upon back. Moment I was here, I will be here. Come on, I will open my credit on one. I bell. Mine up what school took me with mouth.
Eh, Paul, and Michelle will not become a lady at 7 million. I
have to wear by more. I mean, not do I mean, what when I will was well, here, there was also we were married. I friend. I like it.
Emiliano may said this. You need to say no to sexual harassment. You need to fight for yourself. You need to stand and fight for yourself. You see, those uncles, they want to sleep with you and dump you. They're going to impregnate you guys. You need to fight for yourself. Ibege, if not saying nonsense Yamasuna is because the proprietor stay here now, a weekend or yari. Apa was stay here now. I believe you went to put a stop to so many things in Nekedera. Why am I not taking matter now to Ministry of Education? They're going to shut down this school. Why am I? Girls, you need to fight for yourself. You need to put a stop to sexual harassment. They don't mean well for you guys. They're gonna impregnate you guys. You don't joke with your future. You don't want to be a man for someone in future. And for those of you, especially have a boys in Iran now, you mean you can't fight for your girls? You can't? They are your colleagues. They are your age mates. The same school Uwadiae. So why we are na your uncles, Abi? And this Peace Square and this Igbo boy, it's what here in school area. To what condemn our students in Abi?
What was that still?
You know what, guys? You can go back. Okay, go back to your classes and
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom.
God is blessing you.
Auntie Wesley.
Thank you.
Yes, the botanical name na Karika Papai. Waiting we dey find for this life. Barikwa lokia bele na go. Waiting we dey find for this life.
What's wrong?
Igo, you don't want to.
I don't know. Why should she ba?
You may go near a cigay school. You may go near a cigay school. You know, she me at you when you you look at to tell you one. Ya me go near a school, a school. Ya me go near which they get a school. A lawyer knew why you hear me.
Ese mi maso to no la bonito e school. Ikwe.
Why we me o e na mi. Ti mami ho. Ime mi ge go ya zige school ma we get zami. La wo mi la.
Je meto ni wo yeti e we school, yeti e we.
Stephanie.
Chicha usagbofu. Pepe. School avec hier là.
School ma gbe baba. La ti se no lele kan gede pe.
E wa da. Wa we ro we do.
Abugbe. Egene de abi gba mama na egbe ere teacher.
E wa ta.
Ni mai ya fa o gene egbe ere teacher ni. Je ka ya fefe gene teacher ya ni abi. E wa ni me mugu we be dero we gba wo e okere.
Okay.
Yes ko mo ereke.
E wa ta. Ibe su wa bi o ya de wa ku wa ni chabe wa.
Nya gbe.
E wa ta. Ele fi o no mi wa.
Ale gesi. Iba. Mary we ya ige ni ese o si o. Ari be ki gbonu we meri e. Pe sa ti be ageso ohun gbe ni.
Do ma ewo ni a e ke ka ni.
Wa wonu yawe mi se ya niya. Benu wa mi ani iye ti wa ku de gbe. 24 karo bi wa pe.
Ebe ka ni.
Iye power no sa pa ri yin akara. Baba we.
Yes, mo ko ebe ka ni. E wa se o be. E wa kiyan ebe o me wa ya ji.
No wa mi ani no le li hu yen ro.
E wa ta.
Ya ti no level.
Wa ku ya po.
Ma ya le ku ya gba te. E mara be te ba ya te.
E wa ta ni te re. E ga be to jo de.
Ka wo. No re ba we mi am ko li gba we no gba. Ni awa to wa ti we awa ni. What is your name? Oh, what's your name? We ba de ni ya ro ka ba. E wa ta. Agadi we awa ya gbe mi school. Iye ba hu na no we je.
Mo ya ko ya wo mo fere no de tire o. Ya ja ku bi du. No wu we bi ai wa ya mo ye so ka. Any wa jo ni wa jo ka.
Wa do ni e.
Ya ko ni po na ka ra wo. E be re. Ti ja za gbo mo. Da. E ba do school ni ke yo.
O bugbe.
Ti be wa ti gbe ni.
Lele na ti be. Ati be ma ti be nwa mi ya fi.
Jesus. Even you have double. You know, that was very school.
Iwa gele miss school na even ya miss school so lo bot back on
Mo miss school say.
Oni no keni ala lo ve na ni a. Mami o la lo.
Uga mi ni me miss we school Ha.
Wa mi gwe go. We school Stephanie. Ma. Oh, someone. Top here. Top here, talk here day.
Oh,
Ugele bege say.
Oh, yeah, where school? You show when we school. Oh, when the school here say. Oh God. You show when we school. You should go when we school. When I be say. I'm too proud for that in my life. I had to get school, man. What time, man? Oh, man, if you went away to school, when you mean school and you make me, is there something sweet about that school? Need you to understand. But when I went away to school, I went to school.
Why me think why you pay fire down when you want piano? Nobody had class ya or what so who said they want to tell us how we na. Imagine blame me where. Ererade. Stephanie. On say, le vie. No ya bi oni san go e. E yo ni san we ya mu ba me ria. O me yo pa ni ya go ezevo zepe. Mo ioni o fi da gbon we weri. We nu ke ya to bo we a sige school e. E yo bo kan me.
Peculiar.
Oh, imose. Oh, mama. Eniye peculiar imose eniye. What was the rest?
So, okay,
Peculiar, emosi, eniye. Peculiar, emosi, eniye.
I didn't any fear for
Peculiar, emosi, eniye.
when you have it.
We didn't have a matter of friend, the butter. Peculiar, emosi, eniye.
I don't have anything.
What watching your own peculiar.
Peculiar. A problem, a river. A problem, a river. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, yes,
yeah, just with who you care to be most in here. Most of it, yeah, where people are, I will let you know.
A problem, Eronia.
What you ever.
Bubble, Yahweh,
look back everywhere when you don't caca ye, Mamma, by ye, what you own, Mary, Terry Bannian, and very in the Babana. I might be from back. What do women I will be to be a man, I will be when we are paying for. I will be a you. They're supposed to be here
at
this time.
It's not what you think, sir.
Shut up. During school hour. You are supposed to be in school. Papa to work him out. Echo, all the women do women so why. The mama might be fine, sir. It didn't really so what can banner. Remember what I must make me school. Papa to everybody see.
It's a man, begging no senior.
Every power, we can that time more. Papa to now. You better will live now. And now, for a while, I would have be careful.
Good morning, students. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing this morning?
Fine, sir.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, sir.
If you know you are happy, open your teeth. Let me see. Why are you closing your mouth? Okay, I know your mouth will mark back on now. See me in the staff room after this meeting. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I have good news for us this morning. How many of us want to hear it? How many of us want to hear it? All right, put down your hands. On behalf of the principal and the proprietor of this school, we want to organize what is called Cultural Day. That's enough. We're going to share it into 3 groups. One group will represent the great Benin Kingdom. One will represent the Igbos because of Chinedu. And the others will represent Yorubas because of Iretiola. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
When you get to your class, we will come into your class and share you into the groups. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Into your class.
Hey.
Peculiar Zawede. Bangada. Zawede. Bangada. Peculiar Zawede. Bangada. Iwe Zawede. Bangada. Iwe Zawede. Peculiar Zawede. Bangada. Now you can say. Don't come to me. Stop now. Mama, it's him. I like it. Excuse me. It's him. I like it. Oh wait. Do you want to hear the good? What's the goodness? Sit down, Daddy. What is wrong with you? Somebody talk about cultural matter where Mr. Pezzi want to do. You disgrace me. What's your problem now? Everything we always say, Mama. It's about what? Go ahead, Daddy. Bueno, Sanoba. No, man. Oh, I will say, I can go there. Niyan ni niyan. Sama.
Jesus! In my school?
Good night,
Uncle Dua, I told these children to go to their classes. And you are here making noise about this little issue. Now, all of you, go there and kneel down.
Uncle, did you know?
All of you, kneel down.
Uncle.
Yes. Stephanie.
Yes, sir.
Go to your
Thank you, sir.
Stand up. Stand up. Change your class. The rest of you, you are fired!
Come here. Put your 2 hands on the floor.
Yeah, not doggy.
I'm talking to you.
Doggy. Yeah. Every to show them come on down. Yeah.
Will you keep quiet? Class, you know I told you today that you had a class Uwadiae while you are accordingly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, share one to group. The rehearsal starts immediately under my given time at all. We have a limited time now. The cultural day is going to be 1 day. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Stephanie, you said it.
Present, sir.
Peculiar.
Present, sir.
What's that your name again? Okay, we'll go.
Present, sir.
And the finest girl in our class. Will you keep quiet?
Sorry, sir.
Did I tell you to dance or laugh?
Sorry, sir.
I just want to call your name. Alright, you girls will be part of the Benin group. That's okay. That's okay. The 2 sisters, Imanakwe and Imwetinya. Everybody could all favor. Iretiola, Ademola. You girls will represent the Yoruba group.
Yes, we do it.
You can look for anybody to add to it. Is that clear?
Don't mess up.
Peace square.
Hello.
Bros.
Asa. How are you?
Oh.
What did you say?
Alpha. Sorry. Sir.
Edos.
And yes, sir.
Chinedu. You're going to head that group. You guys will represent the Igbo group. Okay.
Look at your eyes, old man.
Hey boy. Alright, you'll be still be part of the Igbo group. Yes. It's okay. That's okay. I don't want to hear that again. That's okay. Is that clear? Any group that wins, the school will give that group a prize. Ekoy will be part of the Igbo group. I have spoken. Good day, class.
Uncle! Hey, what about Nimweni? Nimweni, Mamuni? I hope you enjoy it.
Oh, Choma! Me give more, you can't go. I don't know whether easy, ballet, maybe. Or take a piece. Okay, me, oh, shut.
You know what you were ready.
Ballet, Dai. I wouldn't want to go to what I call me. Oh, we give a away. Wow, I see. You get a kid. Only one of you what talking about me. Oh, I need Buna. Give it. And I'm kind of fear there.
Stop over my boy!
Ah, where the one is quite now. How do I let go?
Uncle.
My bed is new kid. A young class one.
What you
Put a mark. What a kid on? What a
tell me what any get.
What a key? My kid, my
okay, passing the water, they are told me. In fact, we'll be Professor One. Give my say university about pass over that.
Simba! Uncle! This way!
We are the offices.
They are loyal talk.
We are the
loyal talk.
We are the offices.
You know the work. Yes, now.
Ona hie negi fo ABCD vo okie 1 2 3 the teacher no ready or ya san lele mo that what was
Bueno, no que duro, vamos a cuina.
We maka ka we moko.
Mo wa cuina. Mana me wo wa na ba wa.
Ba ba ye. We mo.
O se mo no la mo no pe we ko mo pe we. Ya wa wo ya.
O bi pa e. We mo ka we mo wi. Dei lo ka we mu da ka we na ga ya ba we tu do ba we kwa ni.
Wa ni nai.
Ija, wa sunu nai.
Ko de kuya di.
Tu de bo.
Awe. Ini kan dia. Awe ni pa.
Oh, la de we tu de tipo.
Pa le. Ma kwa de bo le kuya.
Agua.
Sugar ready.
Como na você está com dia? Ele é domo de acoma boa.
Ele faz domo só.
Vai
Domo. Ele do tia be. Ele be mais ele do tia. Ele é do tia. Não. Ele faz domo. Ni do afin. O me se lo ya pa ime lo do ba we. I mo se I wa una I. Tequila. Mose.
Calma.
Ele é do TB.
Epa, o bueno que o bueno que.
E?
Se me guarda vedi oh. Aí na agbera gente pero me na cade, me dire ya ye.
O demo no ya wo wa.
Eu vou já wo ma ni ajo na.
Siwa. Are tori mo você.
Mas eu não sei ver o. What you be?
Eu pego ya gba no west de filu pe we no ma mani po me. Ologo na no me de. Be fa no je tu e mi no re bo re. Be fa gunu e. I will fear.
Na wari ogwa.
Wari esu. Abe de ku.
ABCD vo.
Mateo, we majore. Madele, neve ni boku. Oh, Isao, what's
If only lose a competition now, I want to say get school ni. Carry on, where the yak baby?
There you no make you. Make me see one of we not to swearful.
Boy say na me gbe ba mo eti ma ya ni ma do we.
Onu na se re yi.
Do we. Na o ahian.
You get to gbe gogo ya o me you.
Aya de go de se.
Wa swelele me. Madeo, we ma yore. Madele. Why swear? What man?
You can swear for me.
Come on.
Call her response. What you ma? When I go in there, do so like that.
People say Onye Gagbegu, say Gagbegu. Iya. Correct. Oh, let's go. Onye Gagbegu. Iya Gagbegu. Iya. Onye Gagbegu. Iya Gagbegu. Iya. Onye Gagbegu. Iya Gagbegu. Edo Gagbegu. Iya. Onye Gagbegu. Iya Gagbegu. Onye Gagbegu. Iya Gagbegu. P square follow. Okay, pick up. Oh yeah, P square Gagbegu. 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 Hey! We don't win. We win.
See, this is how we are going to do it. You know, say for the urban line where the say we came from. You need to say Kababa where. Your nyash didn't soup. You know what style you put to you. Yes. You know, say my character is the one kind. So make one know how to sense my rod, yo. No. So the way we're going to do is now we do is 2 steps. Like this. Yeah. Look at do it now. What is this now? What are you doing now? Ha! When they do it like that, they do it like that. Oh yeah, how we song this sing now? The time we say I song the sing, get there you go. The time I song this 2 lines. Some people will go this side. It's 2 both of you like this with this side. Okay. It's 2 both of you with this side. Okay. Then I will come and join here. No, I go standing here. Mama. I support there. Then the 2 both of you will go come out. 1 by 1. Okay, no, 2 by 2. Mama. Stand for the middle. Dance. Yo. Ẹ wá bá mi dé ó tí ijó Ọlọ́run mi, mukuru musẹ ayé Ọlọ́run mi. Ẹ wá bá mi dé ó tí ijó Ọlọ́run mi, mukuru musẹ ayé Ọlọ́run mi. This is the point we see. Okay. You not see. Oh, ni mayanga. Yeah. You don't say me now. Your problem, eh? Your problem is a very big one. You don't respect yourself. Oh, say na. You see why you did that? Don't come and lead my leadership. Oh, say na. Make her quiet. When she come and lead my leadership, I don't understand. No. He now will be so want to do the Mokulu style. These 2 both of you will come and stress. Will come and die in your own. There's 2 both of you will come and nail. After they are doing, you make it fight still, make it sapa. You go to snap, you go snap your teeth like this. Like ghost baby say they put for. Not the way you go raise it, go here now. The 2 both of you will come out for the 2nd step. Omukulu, omukeke, omukulu, mukeke, omukulu, omukeke, omukulu, mukeke, omukulu, omukeke, omukitazu. Where come on there? Come on, they intimidate some person with nuts, yeah. Okay, people don't have nuts, they come and cry. When they intimidate some people, this is 2 both of you turn now. Omukulu, omukeke, omukulu, oh yeah. No, I couldn't dance now. No, say I say leader. Is that I go so Kezi silence paying me. So today now it's just for all of you.
Stephanie, how are you today? Okay. Class, I'm going to tell us a story from what happened in that time. There lived a man whose name was Gandoki. He was a very great man in a kingdom. The greatest farmer in the land. Wake him up.
What do you know what you are? You have any teacher about that? You know it now.
Where's your brother? All right, listen attentively. Listen attentively. If he's not here, he has failed already. Gandoki got married to 2 wives. The first one, a Yoruba woman. The second, an Igbo woman. When you Uwadiae, one day the first wife called the second wife and told her that for 15 years now she was married to her husband. Up till now, she's still not pregnant. That she prayed that the second wife give birth to a male child since she's pregnant now. Who's that? Come back. Kneel down here.
Johnny, go to God there. Jesus. You with me?
Kneel down here. The second wife started ranting. She quarreled until the husband came back from the farm and she told her husband what transpired. The husband took the first wife to the shrine and she saw that if anything happened to the baby and the mother, the first wife would be sacrificed to the gods. After 9 months, the second wife gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. The midwife came to break the good news to Gandoki. Gandoki was very happy. But the bad news came that both the baby and the mother is dead.
Oh, what a wicked word. It's a pity.
The entire community turned upside down. In order to the first wife in Yoruba. Oh no. The Yoruba woman was taken to the shrine and she pleaded that she was innocent. But nobody took that from her. She was eventually sacrificed to the gods. And she was buried in the center of the compound of Gandoki. Gandoki wept because his whole life was crippled and crumbled. On a very good day, one fateful night, a heavy rain fell. Thunder and lightning went with it. We will continue this story another day.
Wonderful.
Thank you very much. Calm down, please. Go to your seat. Go to your seat. Thank you.
Waiting we dey find for this life, oh. The teacher no ready, or ya san lele mo. That was no he, me I no fit talk to this one no. Whiskey lemon, whiskey lemon, whiskey lemon, whiskey lemon. Biskelemo. A biology, it be like pepper soup.